Today you're going to discover the most ingenious construction workers. They're the best at making bricks, as well as building the perfect pavement, a fantastic pergola, an absolutely flat driveway, and the most curious oven in the world. So sit back and get ready to watch. And remember, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, like this video, and share it with your friends. Have you ever wondered how bricks are made? It's not an easy task, but these workers know how to make a lot of bricks in a short period of time. These workers are highly accurate and highly synchronized. With few technological resources, they make bricks this good. Teamwork is key here. It's great to see how they work together. After the manufacturing process, the bricks are stacked in a warehouse to dry. And you get this wonderful result, a mountain of bricks. See this perfect pavement? It's made with great care and precision. Do you want to know what the secret is? Well, pay attention. With a precast mold, the brick layer is filled with the concrete mix. Once it's cooled slightly, the mold is removed. Like magic, but it's not. With a single mold, you can make up to 8 bricks. It's amazing. I'm sure you want one in your house. Well, sit back, relax, and we'll show you how it was built. With these materials and tools, this worker does everything necessary to achieve a fantastic pergola. It's a long process, but this worker's skill is important to achieve these results. Without a doubt, the makeover is amazing. Building a concrete driveway is not an easy job, but the skill of these workers will surprise you. Don't miss a second as you watch how they do it. Coordination is very important. Look how well they work. The precision is amazing. The driveway is completely flat. Curing and sealing agents are the last steps to get a perfect driveway. It's incredible how we've gone from this image to this one in just a few moments. Do you dare to copy these efficient workers? Have you ever seen a cat oven? Well, this Japanese work team will make it possible. Get ready to watch and enjoy the entire manufacturing process. On a brick base, the workers form the structure of the cat. As you can see, it's a pretty big cat. Materials as curious as beer bottles are used to build it. And that's it! This is a cat oven where you can bake all kinds of food. It's the most curious and fun oven in the world. It even has a mustache. And now, it's time to eat. If you like this video, subscribe, turn on notifications, click like, and don't miss out on these other fantastic videos. You'll love it!